pencil project. I've seen many guys on YouTube do these, and I don't want people to think that I'm copying, but it's something I've wanted to try for a little while. So I think what we'll do is we'll have a go at a pencil project and see what happens. I'm going to make this so I've got a bit of a different colour on the top, so I can have the handle on the lid a slightly different colour to the resin. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put a small amount of colour in here up to this mark, let that cure, then I'm going to recast this upside down in the pot to give me my final coat of clear resin. So let's mix some colour up. I don't know what colour yet, hopefully a cool colour. I'll have a look, see what I've got, and we'll see from there. Right, I've dug out these. I've got this bright purple, blue, green and a yellow. Now what we're going to do, yellow and green, I'm going to do purple and blue. I'm not quite sure yet. I do quite like the purple and blue, but I don't know if they're too close together. So I'm going to do the green and yellow, and we'll see what those look like. quite cool. Right, it's been 48 hours now that I've left this in because I haven't had a chance to get back to it, so let's see what it's like. Right, there we go. Considering I've done it in 2 halves, I don't suppose it's too bad. What I'll do is I'll cut through there for the lid, and then that's too big for a whole pot, so we'll cut through there for the lid and then bring it down there. pretty patterns in there. That has got some real nice patterns in there. This is a new resin that I'm trying. This is one of the first projects I've used this new resin on. It's from a different supplier, but I thought I'd give it a go and see how it came out. And I think it's a little bit harder than the normal resin I've been using, but to be honest, it polishes out really well. So I'll leave a link below for where I get it from, and you guys can check it out. Right, put it on the bench and get it together. There we go, guys, at last. It's taken me nearly 3 weeks to get this right to an acceptable level. I mean, this is the third one I made before I was happy with it, and to be honest, I didn't think it was going to take me this long, but we got there in the end. So what I did is I put a nice little inlay in the top in resin, made a resin inlay with a green and yellow mottled effect into it. I don't know if you can see, but I'll stick some stills on at the end. And the new resin I'm using is a lovely clear resin, and I do like the way it polishes out. It polishes really well, and I'm really happy with that. A couple of resins I used before were a little bit too soft, and when you polish them you got little score lines into them, but that has polished out really well. So I'm really happy with that. So I've got a nice little lid that you can see. Fits nice, and you know, it's not tight, which I don't want it tight, but you know, it's okay, it's acceptable. To be honest, I just want to make one to say that I've made one. You know, I know it's not going to be everybody's cup of tea, so I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and I do apologise if the video is a little bit too long, but like I say, this has taken me about 3 weeks to do on and off, so I'm going to try and cut it down as much as I can, but you know, I want to get as much content in as possible as well. So like I say, if you guys like, then please like, you know what I mean, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, because I want to grow this channel. I'd like to aim for 1,000 subscribers before Christmas. I know it's a big thing, but you know what I mean, we've all got to have goals. So you know, everybody's help, all your guys' help helps me get in that place. You know what I mean, if this is not your cup of tea and there's stuff you want me to show you or want me to have a go at doing, then let me know and I'll see what I can do. You know, I can't promise anything, but I'll have a go. I'm always up for a good challenge. So this is this week's project, thank God. We've got a brand new project for next week, which is now in the process of being done. So I want you guys to have a great weekend, and I will see you next week. Take care.